TiO2 Tony here. I'm going to show you how I use the Simix cleaner, which contains nanoparticles of titanium dioxide, which is a self-cleaning effect as long as it has UV light on it. I'm going to show you how I use it to clean my house once a year. Haven't had to pressure wash my house in 10 years. Now, I will say I did treat the whole house with the ceramic coating. The paint stays immaculate, but the ceramic coating definitely helps. But I like to go around it once a year just to rinse off all the soffits. As you can see up there, they're not bad at all right now. Okay, but I like to keep it that way once a year, and it prevents me from having to pressure wash. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the cleaner right here, and I'm going to take the 4-ounce scoop, 4 ounces, which is really overkill, but it won't hurt anything. Safe on plants, safe on you name it. Okay, I wear gloves because I was spraying bug cleaner a little earlier. But anyhow, it's 4 ounces. I'm going to put it in the chafing cleaner, like so. I'm going to dilute that with water. All right, here I am with the water hose. Pretty basic, right? I'm going to put it in the chafing cleaner. Now, honestly, 4 ounces is probably overkill, all right? Now, I'm going to let that stuff dissolve for a few minutes. Actually, you can take it, stir it up if you like. I'm going to let it dissolve for a few minutes. And then I'm going to spray on my soffits, my walls, and everything. One thing to keep in mind when I mention the ceramic coating, just so you know, I didn't treat that area. Treated, untreated. I didn't, just so I can show everybody. Treated, untreated. Here's the treated. See if you can pick up any, but it's a ceramic coating. It turns into a sheet of glass. You can literally do your whole house this size, 3-bedroom, 2-bath for, I think, like 1 gallon. You can go to the Simix website and check it out. Okay, so here we are with the sprayer, and away we go. I'm not going to bore you with watching the whole house, but you get the idea, right? So you can clean anything with it, clean your walls, clean the concrete, you name it, safe on plants, safe around pets, the Simix cleaner. Now, I used a 4-ounce scoop in this, which probably, if I was paying retail, would have been about, in cost for the whole house, about $5. $5, okay? $5 for the whole house, if you're paying retail. I buy by the pallet and sell it to, restaurants, et cetera, et cetera. So the main thing is that you can do your whole house. It will remain clean, easier to clean. Spray your roof with it, stop mold from growing on the roof. All kinds of benefits. Look up self-cleaning buildings. Hey, have a great day. TiO Tony here. Have a great day. See you later.